Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. The transition from Python 2.7 to Python 3 can be a bit challenging due to various changes in syntax and behavior. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to convert a piece of code from Python 2.7 to Python 3, along with a code example. Make sure you have Python 3 installed on your system. You can download it from the official Python website. Locate the Python 2.7 code that you want to convert. For this tutorial, let's assume you have the following Python 2.7 code. In Python 3, the print statement becomes a function, so you need to use parentheses. Update the print statement accordingly. In Python 3, strings are Unicode by default. If your Python 2.7 code has strings with special characters, make sure to handle Unicode properly. In Python 3, the division of integers returns a float by default. If your Python 2.7 code relies on integer division, use the // operator. In Python 3, the input function behaves differently than in Python 2.7. It always returns a string. If you want to get an integer, you need to explicitly convert it. In Python 3, dict.keys, dict.values, and dict.items return views instead of lists. If you need a list, explicitly convert it using list. In Python 3, the file not found error exception is raised instead of IO error for file-related errors. In Python 3, ecrange is no longer available. Replace it with range. In Python 3, bytes and strings are distinct. If you're working with bytes, make sure to use the B prefix. By following these steps, you can successfully convert Python 2.7 code to Python 3. It's essential to thoroughly test your code after the conversion to ensure its correctness and functionality in Python 3. ChatGPT. Title: Migrating from Python 2.7 to Python 3 Plus, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Python 2.7 has reached the end of its life, and it's essential to migrate to Python 3 to benefit from the latest features, improvements, and security updates. This tutorial will guide you through the process of converting Python 2.7 code to Python 3, providing code examples and explanations along the way. Step 1. Install Python 3. Ensure that Python 3 is installed on your system. You can download the latest version from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Step 2. Identify Python 2.7 code. Locate the Python 2.7 code that you want to convert. Make a copy of the code to preserve the original version during the migration process. Step 3. Print statement to function. In Python 2.7, the print statement is used without parentheses, while in Python 3, it becomes a function and requires parentheses. Update all print statements accordingly. Python 2.7. Python 3. Step 4. Unicode strings. In Python 2.7, strings are ASCII by default, and Unicode strings are specified with a U prefix. Python 3, however, treats all strings as Unicode by default. Remove the U prefix from Unicode strings. Python 2.7. Python 3. Step 5. Division behavior. In Python 2.7, the division of two integers results in integer division. Python 3 introduces true division, and you can use the from_future_import division import statement in Python 2.7 to enable this behavior. Alternatively, you can update the code to use true division in Python 3. Python 2.7. Python 3. Step 6, ecrange to range. In Python 2.7, the ecrange function provides an iterator for a range of numbers. In Python 3, the range function serves the same purpose, and there's no need for ecrange. Python 2.7. Python 3. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can successfully convert Python 2.7 code to Python 3. Make sure to thoroughly test your code after migration to identify any potential issues. Additionally, refer to the official Python documentation, https://docs.python.org/3, for more detailed information on specific changes between Python 2 and Python 3. ChatGPT.